Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, student. Hope you all fine there. May Allah bless you all. Today is Thursday, 21st January 2021. Today the topic is practical geometry. Today we are going to revise exercise 17.2. Before revising the exercise 17.2, we will revise some definitions. Here are some definitions. Here is the definition of concurrent lines or point of concurrency. Three or more than three lines are said to be concurrent if they all pass through the same point. The common point is called the point of concurrency of the lines. If three or more than three lines can pass through a same point, it is called the lines are called the concurrent lines, and the point that common point is called the point of concurrency. And here are the other definitions. The internal bisector of the angles of a triangle meet at a point called the incenter of the triangle. It is the definition of incenter of the triangle. The second definition is the circumcenter of the triangle is the point of concurrency of the three perpendicular bisectors of the side of a triangle is called the circumcenter of the triangle. So it is the definition of circumcenter of the triangle. The next definition is the point of concurrency of the three altitude of a triangle is called the orthocenter. So it is the definition of orthocenter. The next definition is the centroid. The point where the three medians of a triangle meet is called the centroid of the triangle. So it is the definition of the centroid of the triangle. So we will discuss all these definitions in our practical geometry exercise 17.2. So first of all, we are going to solve the question number 1 of exercise 17.2. The statement of question number 1 is construct the following triangles ABC, draw the bisectors of their angles and verify their concurrency. So in this question number 1, we will verify the point of concurrency and will draw the bisectors of angles. Bisector is a line which divide a line segment into two equal parts. It's called the bisector of a line segment. And if a line divide an angle into two equal parts is called the bisector of angles. So in this part of question, we will bisect the angles of a triangle and we will verify that their lines are concurrent or not. So we will verify the concurrency. So here is the given measurement of the triangle. The side measurement of side AB is given 4.2 centimeter, and the second side measurement of second side BC is given 6 centimeter, and the third side is given, which is CA is equal to 5.2 centimeter. As we have learned that a triangle has 6 components. If 3 of them are given, we can construct a triangle. So first of all, we will construct a triangle with the given measurement. So in this figure, you can see that we have drawn a triangle. First of all, we will draw line segment BC of 6 centimeter. Then we will take a compass with the radius 5.2 and place the compass at point C and will draw an arc. Now we will take B as a center and open the compass 4.2 centimeter and draw another arc which cut the previous arc at this point. We will give this point the name A. Now we will join A to B and A to C. So in this way we will have a triangle ABC. Now we will bisect their angles. So first of all, we will place the compass at point B and with the suitable radius we will draw an arc which cuts these two lines at these points. Now with the same radius we will place the compass at point C and draw the suitable arc which cut these two lines at these 2 points. Now we will take A as a center and draw a suitable arc which cuts these lines at these points. Now we will take a compass and with the center place this compass at this point and open the compass with suitable radius and draw two arcs draw an arc with the same radius. We will place the compass over here and draw another arc which cut these two arc cut at this point. Now we will join this point with a ray. We give it the name BR. Now we will bisect the angle C. We place compass over here and draw an arc with the same radius. We place compass at this point and draw another arc which cut the previous arc at this point. Now we will join this point with C. Now we will give it the name CR. CR is the bisector of C, and BQ is the bisector of B. Now with the same process we will place the compass over here and draw an arc, and with the same radius draw another arc which cuts the previous one, which meet at this point. Now we will join this point with the opposite angle A. Now this line AP is the bisector of angle A. As we have seen that all the three bisectors of a all the three bisectors of a angle of a triangle meet at this point. We give this point a name I. So this point I is a point of concurrency. So we have verified that by bisecting the angles of a triangle, all the three bisectors of a triangle meet at a point. So we have verified that the lines are congruent. Now we will write the steps of the construction. First of all, we will take first step is take a line segment BC 6 cm. Number 2, take B as center and draw an arc of 4.2 cm radius. The step 3, take C as a center and draw an arc of 5.2 cm radius that cuts the first arc at point A. Now join A to B and C. So triangle ABC is the required triangle. Number 5th step is take AP, BQ and CR, the bisectors of angle A, B and C respectively. So the result is AP, BQ and C are congruent at the point I. So in this way we can bisect the angles of a triangle and can verify the congruency of a point.